That if Obi becomes or emerges the president of Nigeria in 2023, Peter Obi is a leader. I'm a Yoruba boy. I would give my blood for that man. I will go to the end of the world with him. I haven't met him in person, but he is the closest thing to the vision that I hold for Nigeria. That I don't need to know him personally. I don't have any record. I didn't know him when he was in power or in government. But when I go back and I check with facts, when I go and verify, like he always says, the truth is there in the person that he is. And the person that I consider him to be is a leader, a visionary, and an intelligent mind that Nigeria has yearned for the longest time. And that is my relationship with him. And that is what makes the relationship beautiful. When you look at people that have changed the world, like Henry Ford, when you look at Nikola Tesla, when you look at Albert Einstein, you really don't know those people, but you have a relationship with them through their works, through the things that they've been able to set in place that you still enjoy years and years and decades even after they're gone. With Peter Obi, that's the same relationship. That's how I know him, by his works. And I think that there's no other way to have an intimate relationship with someone than knowing the things that they stand for, the things they achieve, and the things that they are hoping to do. That if Obi becomes or emerges the president of Nigeria in 2023, Nigeria would not vote in bad leaders anymore. That is where it will stop. Obi is a statement. Obi is not just a person. Obi has become an ideology. And if that ideology persists, we are going to come up victorious. And the moment we start to see the advantages of that, you won't be able to get a Nigerian to vote for a bad leader anymore. I promise you that. Tinubu is sick. Atiku is a case study for corruption in the United States, is involved with one of the biggest corruption cases in America that sent a top US official to jail for the longest period a top official in the US government has ever spent in jail, 13 years. My brother, let's say we never know what they do us. No, they tell you confirm. We never know what they do us. Let's say we never reason out. We never really reason out. My brother, if you get company, shouldn't a person when if you work and you go say me can't help the company.
Sure.
Or the person when you see for camera 2 nights ago, where they try break into the gates. You will say me that will be manager, me that will be assistant manager. I know they understand. Anyways, I don't get it. I don't. It would be an insult. The biggest insult on everybody in Nigeria that such people take power. Because you know what that's going to send to the whole world? That out of 200 and something million people, we could not find people who have integrity and people who are not plagued with tons and tons and tons of corruption charges or linked with terrorist groups. We cannot find anybody to become our president than people who, it's a joke. You have a guy who is not well, who cannot flip pages, who cannot walk by himself, a person who cannot hold up a flag. And then you have a sick man, essentially. And then you have a terrorist sponsor. If Nigerians were not scared about Tinubu being president, I think they should be scared that his vice is Shetima. My brother, I want you to imagine something. That something happens to Tinubu while he's president. Who's going to take over?
TV. I phone nobody the bunga to second I'm on the TV. On the Kulibo, Nakwadibo, TV. I comedy what they bring for us, me cool